Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own TikTok avatar. So if you want to add a personal touch to your TikTok profile, you can create your TikTok avatar, and this in this tutorial I'll show you how you can create a unique TikTok avatar from scratch. So what you need to do is of course open the TikTok applications on your phone, and then you can just head to profile. Click on profile at the bottom right corner and tap on this edit profile. So once you go to the edit profile page, at the very top, if you haven't created one, there will be this options to create your avatar. So what you need to do is just click on that option, create your TikTok avatar. Here you can explore alternate versions of yourself with AI to share with friends in chat and stories. So you can just tap on get started. So here TikTok will ask you to take a selfie, so you can just position your face within the frame. So in here, after you took a selfie, TikTok will generating your avatar. You can see the estimated times 15 minutes, and the progress in here. You'll see the progress. You can just wait, or you can also just close this and click on this notify me to turn on notifications, and to get TikTok notify you when your avatar is ready. So you can just click on notify me or hide without notifications. Let's just wait until the avatar is finished generating. Okay, so now my avatar is ready, and in here you can see you'll be notified at the very top, and in the edit profile page you can just tap on view to see how your avatar look like. And you can see you can choose the expression that you want. This one, this one here. So you can just choose the avatar from here. Say I'm going to use this one. If you want to, you can set avatar as your profile photo, or you can also post your avatar, but you can always uncheck this, but you can just save it. If you want to see the preview, you can click on this preview options at the bottom right corner, and here you can see how it will be posted when you choose to post your avatar. But if you don't want to, you can just uncheck this. So you can just tap on save to save the avatar that you created. So now you can use avatar to send stickers in chat and react to stories. You can also choose to invite your friends to create their avatar. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.